Water indoors feels alarming, and that reaction makes sense. Move everyone away from rooms where water drips or spreads. Keep children and pets clear of those areas. The roof can wait a few minutes. Stay well clear of any ceiling that sags or looks stained. A wet ceiling can hold more water than you can see. Treat wet lights, outlets, and switches as off-limits, and call an electrician or your utility. From safe ground, watch for missing or cracked tiles, shingles out of line, and lifted flashing near a chimney or wall. Bare deck showing through the covering is urgent too. Please do not climb a ladder. Plain words work fine. Tell us the room or roof area, when you first noticed water, and whether it is still coming in. Add your roof type if you know it, and whether the building is a home or a business. Urgent conditions may need stabilizing before other work makes sense. A defined problem may suit a repair, and widespread damage may point toward replacement. Emergency roofing estimates are free. A written condition report is a separate paid service. Call Santa Monica Roofing Contractors at 424-217-3627. Tell us what you see right now.